Hello everyone, welcome to Funda Bazaar. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a droplet on DigitalOcean and install WordPress in one click. To do this we need two softwares. One is putigen.exe and second is putty. So let's get started. Click on browser and open a new window and search for putty, PUTYGEN. Click enter. Yeah, here we go. Click on the very first link. Now click here, download putty. Okay, we are on the download page. First you need to install putigen.exe software, so click onto this, download it and install it in your computer. I have already installed it, so I don't need to do it again, so I cancel it. Now next thing you need to do is download putty.exe onto your computer. Okay, once you've done it, you can close this window. Now below the video you'll find a link to go to DigitalOcean. Click on the link and open a new window in DigitalOcean. Yeah. Now you'll find a home page of DigitalOcean. Click on sign up. Yes, in my case I have been directly landed to create droplet page, but in your case you first need to register, give your details like credit card details and add a credit like 5 to 10 or $25 to your account so that you could just get started. So once you've done all that stuff and you reach to the create droplet page, now here you need to minimize this. You remember we had downloaded two softwares, one is putigen.exe and second is putty.exe. So first we'll start with putigen.exe. Click onto this, click generate. We are generating SSH keys, so you need to keep hovering mouse onto this area to randomize your SSH keys. Yeah, we are done creating that. We have our SSH keys to get logged in. You just need to save these keys, like first option is save private keys. Save these keys, click yes and give it a name. In my case I will give it a name like Funda Bazaar. Okay, Funda Bazaar is my professional website. There's a link given below in this video, you can visit us. Now you need to save public keys. Give it any name like Funda Bazaar or anything, or in my case suppose give it for public. Okay, we have done creating that. Now go again to your web browser, DigitalOcean, and this is the page where I had left. Now click on create droplet. Yeah, and when you click create droplet you will land on this page, droplet page, where you'll find many options. Basically we need to install WordPress on DigitalOcean, so we'll select this Ubuntu platform And in Ubuntu you need to select the version you want to use and you are too comfortable with. So in my case I will use 14.4 because I'm quite comfortable with that. Okay, and just beside that there's option of one click apps. Click onto this, you'll find lot many apps like Magento, Joomla, and here is our very own WordPress. Click on this. Okay, the next thing you need to choose is a size of your droplet. It's very similar to plan, like you need a plan of $10 per month or $20 per month. The exception to this configuration of WordPress and Ubuntu 14.4 is you cannot choose $5 plan, because $5 plan offers you very less disk space, and which is not enough for this WordPress and Ubuntu configuration. So we'll choose the very next one, that is $10 per month. Okay, you can leave it. The next thing you need to choose is data center location. That depends upon which country your traffic is coming from. If it is from USA, you can select any of these two. If it is from Asia, you can select Singapore, or it is basically from India, you can select Bangalore, and it is from EU, you can select London, or it's from UK, then also you can select London. You can select accordingly, there's a many option available. In my case it is Bangalore, so I'll select Bangalore. Okay, here is the option of your SSH keys, which we had just created couple of minutes ago. So click on new SSH keys. Now go to Putty software, Puttygen, and copy these SSH keys. And paste. Give them a name. Like in my case, I will give it name Fundavaza, because I love it. Fundavaza. Add it. Yes, we have added. You can see I have already added a key named desktop, so it doesn't really matter. You can add as many as possible or as many as you want to. Now moving to next, here is the option of finalize and create. Select the how many droplets you want to create, like 1, 2, 3, 4. In my case it is 1 only, so I'll reduce it to 1. Give a name to your droplet. I will give it a name WordPress Fundavaza. Okay, and click create. It will take 30 to 40 seconds to get it created. Till the time we have to wait. You can see it is creating. Yes, it is created. In this newly created droplet, you will find the name which you had given, like WordPress Fundavaza, IP address of your droplet, and more options there. So the next thing we're gonna do is copy this IP address, minimize the browser. You can now close this Puttygen because we don't need it anymore. Close it. Now open the Putty software which we had downloaded with Puttygen. Click on putty.exe and click on session, and at the place of host name or IP address, put on your IP. Now go to SSH, expand it, go to auth and browse your SSH keys which we had created at very first. So I had created naming Funda Bazaar, so click on it and open. Here we go. Okay, this is all done here. Click open, click yes, and here we go. We can see there is a terminal of putty and there is a text login as. This is asking for basically administrator, so here administrator is root, so put root. It will authenticate with your SSH keys, and as you can see it is done. We have done SSH key installation and its connection with your droplet. Now you can close this window. Okay, again go to DigitalOcean droplet, click on IP address, copy it, open a new window. Here we go. Means we have successfully installed WordPress onto our droplet. Here we should congratulate to each other. Okay, moving forward, click continue after selecting your language. Here you might have been familiar with this if you already used WordPress, and if you didn't, let me tell you, it is the site title. Give it a name like site title, give it a username, admin. You can keep it something more than admin or something other than it. Choose a password. Okay, put your email in there. Anything @gmail.com. You can put any email into this. Let's keep it Funda Bazaar. Funda Bazaar @gmail.com. Do not click this option because it will discourage search engines from indexing your website. Now we are all done. To this page, click install WordPress. Yes, we have installed WordPress and set up username, password. Now click login. Here we go. By putting our admin username and chosen password, we have successfully entered admin area of WordPress starting from our IP address. This is basically the name of the website. I hope you find it helpful for you. If you really find it helpful, please do not forget to subscribe us. Have a great day. Bye bye.